Go for gold, understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and motivational phrase, go for gold. This phrase is not just about sports or competitions, but it's also a powerful expression used in everyday English. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Go for gold originates from sports competitions, particularly the Olympics, where athletes aspire to win the gold medal, the highest achievement. The phrase thus literally means to strive for the top prize or aim for the highest achievement in a competition. In everyday language, go for gold is used figuratively. It means to aim for the best possible outcome in any situation, not just sports. It's about putting in your best effort, aiming high, and not settling for anything less than the best. When someone says, go for gold, they are encouraging you to excel and achieve your best. Let's see some examples to understand how to use this phrase. 1. In motivation, you're so close to finishing your project. Go for gold and make it your best work yet. 2. In encouragement, you've practiced hard for this performance. Go for gold, and don't hold back. 3. In everyday situations, I know the job interview is competitive, but go for gold, you've got this. It's interesting to note the cultural impact of this phrase. It reflects a positive, can-do attitude that is highly valued, especially in contexts like sports, business, and personal development. Understanding this phrase also helps in comprehending the cultural emphasis on excellence and high achievement. I hope this video helps you understand and use go for gold in your English conversations. Remember, it's not just a phrase, but a mindset of aiming for the best in whatever you do. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to go for gold in your English learning journey. See you in our next video.